So what's up YouTube? I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm basically going to be explaining a concept of probability, and I'll be using two examples of the trade ideas I came up with last week and how these trade ideas have treated us. So let's jump into the chart and show you what going. So last week, which is because today is Saturday, so last week, which is the week that just ended, we had two similar setups, not two like two the same exact setups on two different pairs. And these setups ended up giving us different outcomes. One was a win, and one looks like it's going to end up hitting stop loss because it has not yet hit the stop loss. So I'm going to try to make you understand how probability, some setups that you lose based on probability, is what you should classify as like a valid loss. So as you can see, the setup looked something like this. It was actually a reversal setup. Trading view is being laggy. Just a moment. Okay, we're back. The network issues with trading view, man. Okay, so let me see if I can draw it now. So what you can see, just a moment, lower low, lower high, lower low. It was a reversal setup. We're first trending bearish, then we switched to bullish and tried to continue buying. So this was basically the concept, and we're trying to buy from a support zone, something like this. And the two setups this happened from was on USD JPY and USD CAD. I'm going to start with USD JPY because that was the one that hit take profit. Trading view is stressing me today. I don't even understand. Probably network problem, but yeah. Try to make it work. UPNZD, USD JPY. So as you can see, this is the first example, exactly what I just explained. We were initially trending bearish. That's lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then we got a higher high. After a higher high, the expectation is for what? A higher low to give us the next higher high. And if I pull this out here, you see it's almost exactly the same thing with this. If you can see it, we have a higher high. Now the expectation is for a higher low. And after that, what did I identify? I identified a support zone right here. This is the support. And this is the support here again. And we got our entry signal on the 1 hour time frame. I actually did not execute this trade because I'm in like 7.5% drawdown on my prop firm. Probably going to blow that prop firm. I'll get another one. So as you can see, we got our entry signal there. Bullish engulfing candle. We headed straight to take profit on this setup. So I'm going to show you the other setup, which is the same concept, but one of them ended up hitting not stop loss or take profit though. It's just looking like it's not going to hit stop loss. I mean, it's not going to hit take profit. Sorry, USD CAD is what I'm looking for. There you go. So as you can see, it's also the same exact concept. We're initially, let me remove this and compare it with you. See, we're initially trending to the downside, then price reversed and came to our POI and gave us our entry signal and would have executed this trade. It's just that now that one headed straight to take profit, and this one now is dancing around our entry. Mind you, this trade could easily still hit take profit, but it just goes to show you that if you execute your plan, you realize that sometimes you end up on the wrong side of probability, which is a type of setup you should be proud of. Now, if this trade ends up hitting stop loss, it does not mean like my trade idea was wrong or my strategy is trash. I just ended up on the wrong side of probability. Some years ago, if this trade hit stop loss, I'd have tried to like tweak my strategy and like what did I do wrong? Sometimes you genuinely did nothing wrong. You just ended up on the wrong side of probability. That's basically the message I'm trying to pass in this video, that sometimes you're going to see your setup, everything side by side is going to hit stop loss. You didn't do anything wrong. Your strategy is not bad. You're just on the wrong side of probability. And sometimes you're going to see the same exact setup on different pairs. Two setup, same side by side on different pairs. But one of them is going to hit take profit and one of them is going to hit stop loss. And the one that hit stop loss is probably the one you entered, because that's what's been happening to me. And I know it's not only me. A lot of traders go through these things. I just want to let you know that your strategy is not bad. You are just on the wrong side of probability sometimes or most of the times. So that's all for this video. Short, simple, quick, easy. Hopefully you took value. And if you have any questions, leave it for me in the comment section. I'll answer every question. Then the Telegram group to where I send these trade ideas. Let me see if I can show you real quick, because these are very high quality trade ideas, and any trade idea I see, I send it to the Telegram group immediately or as soon as I can, at least, because I'm a student trying to balance trading and schoolwork. So sometimes I'll send a screenshot to my phone, sometimes I'll just send a screenshot with my laptop. So let me see if the Telegram group will open. Network is being very laggy today. Just a moment. In the meantime, subscribe to the channel. So yeah, as you can see in this corner, Jesus Christ. You get the point. I said network is stressing me out. I sent these trade ideas to the Telegram group. So yeah, join the Telegram group. If you have any questions, leave it for me. I'll see you in the next episode. Peace.